Dexter, what you got there? Is that your new car? Oh, it's fun, isn't it? What can it do? Can you show me? Oh, that's cool. Cool. Dexter, is it fun? Are you having a good time? Yay! All right. What an awesome new toy. Can you ride around? Looky here, look. Whoa. It moves around, see? Yay! There you go, see it move! Oh my goodness. It's so much fun.